Welcome guys, so today I am with Nubia Red Magic 5S and I want to show you a few camera tips. So at the first we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and when we are here we can use volume buttons to take photos. Just click once and as you can see after a few seconds the photo will be taken, and it currently is set up with shutter delay, and if you want to turn it off or if you want to use this shutter delay, you have to click in this place, then tap here and select 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Right now I'm gonna honestly turn it off because I don't need this feature to be enabled, but one more time when you click on volume up you can take photo. You can also hear this shutter sound. Okay, the next step will be about the zoom feature. So as you can see, normally you can go for the 3x, 5, 10 or 1x. And by the way, that's the quality on the highest zoom. Looks not bad, but it's not like really stable, so they can improve this feature. But if you want to use slider and go between these presets, you can slide with the fingers and then you get this slider and you can go, for example, for 9x, 8x or 4x. And as you can see, zooming with this slider looks definitely smoother than using this standard modes right here. Another tip will be about the brightness level on the photo. So if you want to adjust the brightness condition, you have to tap on the screen and then move the sun icon like that to decrease or increase brightness level. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen once. When you click in this place, you will be able to change color and the temperature on your photos. If you want to take photo with this one or this one, just select, click on the shutter, and the photo was taken. If you want to turn it off, go for the original for the first one, just like that. Okay, right now we have to tap right here and go for the settings, because in the settings you can find also few useful options. The first one will be touch to take photo. When you enable this option, you will be able to take photo by tapping on the screen. So it's useful when you hold your phone in your one hand and you cannot reach this bottom shutter. So just like that you can take photos. Let's go back for the settings, because we can also enable the camera grid lines. As you can see right now, this help grid lines appears on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. Okay, and we can also go for the Pro mode, and with the Pro mode we can adjust a lot of things manually. As you can see, we can find here shutter speed, white balance, ISO, focus, exposure compensation. It's some kind of the time burst shot. So when you set for example like 5 seconds, so for the 5 seconds your phone will take picture. So it's 5-second interval. You can stop it by tapping right here. And also we can add here the filters or enable. Oh, let me just turn it off. Or enable, for example, the flashlight. Okay, so actually that's all for the tips on the for the Nubia Red Magic 5S. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.